Hi, little artist. Are you ready to draw something super yummy and colorful today? Yes. Let's draw a cute and happy ice cream together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's go. Let's start by drawing the ice cream cup. First, draw a rectangle shape. Then draw another on top. Great job! Now, on top of the cup, let's draw 3 round scoops of ice cream. Wow! It looks like a mountain of deliciousness. Let's make our ice cream scoops super cute. Draw 2 tiny eyes and a happy smile on each scoop. They're so happy to be drawn by you.
La da 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 dee.
Now let's decorate the cup. Draw crisscross lines to make a checkered pattern, just like real waffle cones.
La da 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 dee.
Looks amazing! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete! Now take your marker and go over the lines to make the outline bold and sharp. This helps the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it? It's coloring time! Yay!
Yay!
Let's bring our ice cream to life with rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color. Wow! Look at those yummy scoops. They're shining like a rainbow. Well done, my little artist. You did such an amazing job. Don't forget to show your drawing to your friends and family. And if you loved drawing with us, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun art. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.